two platforms that would earn you $360 just doing ads. Hi, my name is Itumbewa Godlove, and I create content on how to make money online. I am a digital marketer, graphics designer, web developer. Again, I have a new course, free graphics design training certification, that is coming up on the 7th of February 2022. The link to sign up in this course is in the description below. Don't forget to sign up to the course if you are interested in this certification. It will help you in future, believe me. All right, so today we'll be talking about two sites that will earn you $360 per day just viewing ads. So stay tuned, and again, as I always say, follow the video to the end to be able to get the steps and do them exactly the way you see me doing them. All right, without any further ado, we'll jump straight to the websites. So the first website is called Ads7. Ads7. Don't bother yourself. I will put the link of these websites in the description. So what I want to do is go directly and log in. Since I've already signed up or register, as I always say in all my videos, make sure to register and verify your email. Very important, because if you don't verify your email, they may block you or ban you from using the website till you verify your email. So I'll click on login and enter my username, my password. Then you have to fill in this captcha for them to be sure that you're not a robot. So I'm just going to do it real quick. All right, so here it's directing me directly to the website. They welcome me. Welcome back, Ewa. So it's all about ads. That is why you see everywhere ads will just be showing up and popping up. So this is my membership dashboard. You see the points I have and how much I've earned, which is balanced because there are some people who purposely use this platform for advertisement. But we are here to earn, not to advertise. So if I scroll up, I want to click on the earn section, and here you see a lot of options, but I want to focus on just two: watch videos and view ads. So if I click on, let me just open watch videos in a new tab, then I open view ads here. So here you see, it will show you different types of advertisement and how much they pay per advertisement. So 1 point is equivalent to $0.01. Don't be in a hurry to say it's too small. There are lots of ads to view to earn more. So this is just one group of ads. This is another group. That is what it pays. This is another one. These are the ads that you have to view. Yeah, they say don't click. So, and the good thing about the platform is that every after 12 midnight, new ads come in place. So the moment you view all of these ads, new ones will come back every after 12 midnight. All what you have to do is just to click on the ad and it will open in a new tab. All right, so that is advertisement loading, and the advertisement view countdown is going. So all what you just do is you wait for the countdown to go. All right, while waiting, please, it will be very nice for you to comment your countries. For those watching, comment your country, comment where you're based in, so it can help me to specify my video creation on the various countries. Now, as soon as the countdown is done, you will see validate to get credit. Simple instruction, which one does not belong. So you just look through, and this is the one that does not belong. Validated, you have been credited. So as soon as that is done, you close it, and when you come back here, you realize that the one you just viewed has been grayed out. So you click on the next one and you do the same thing. You do the same thing, you watch it, you do the instruction, and you validate it. Now for the video section, I think they say there's currently no server available for you, check later. So there is no video at the moment, no server. So from time to time you can check. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Each ad you just have to click open in a new tab, wait for the period of time that you have to wait, validate the instruction as you saw me doing, then come back now to the main section. So apart from that one, in the earning section, you have quiz that you can answer, you have service that you can answer, you have games that you can play, ads grid. Let me just show you what is an ad grid. This here too is after you've viewed every ad in the ad section. You can also work on the ad grid. So yeah, you just pretty read the instruction, but what I know about the ad grid is you click on a particular grid to get some points or bonus. So if I click on this grid, for example, yeah, you click on the grid and you allow it to show an ad. So yeah, they say please wait, and after that, this is credited. So I was lucky, I clicked on the grid with credit. So there are lots of ways to view ads in the platform that you can earn. Imagine, look at all the points of this grid. How long will it take you to click on each point to earn? So if I click again on another grid, I'll still be taken elsewhere and I'll still be told to wait. Yeah, the time has passed and I've earned the credit. Close it, go back to my platform. So you see the sections I've clicked on have been noted in red to ensure that I don't re-click there again. So that is just pretty much how it goes. After you must have view all the ads here, you can now come to ad grid and click everything here. Let's just say in less than an hour or two, you click everything here and you earn all the bonus. That is the first platform. Now going to the second platform, which is Ads Bazaar. Ads Bazaar, again, I'll log in. It's pretty much similar with the first one. So they have the same similarity. You see here, they're also asking me codes to validate. All right. It's directing me to my dashboard too. At times, the instruction may read. At times, the instruction may open and maybe they'll first of all show you a first ad. Always take note at the top. You something there that you have to click to direct you to your dashboard because it's all about ads. They always want to show you ads. You have to click and skip it and come to your dashboard. So yeah, let me see. Have I even earned anything here so far? Yes, I have a balance of $0.111 and I have clicked 663 ads so far. So like I said, it's similar with the first one. All you need to do is just to click earn money and view ad. So they say I've viewed 0 ads today. You allow the ads to load. Just the same, almost the same thing like the first one. Allow them to load. You click on them. I'll do just one, so as to just repeat the instruction. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. It will help YouTube to make my video visible to other people. So which one does not belong? The elephant, of course. Validated. Close. It is grayed out and I click to the next ad. So that is just it, the same thing. You have to ensure you view all the ads. These are the first two. Second group, third group, which has the majority, and the last group, which they'll always tell you not to click. You can still go back there and you go to watch videos. Let me open a new tab too and ad grid. So the other opportunities on your own personal time, you can check on them. So this is the ad grid and this month top players. That is the top people who have clicked this ad grid and what they have earned. So it will show you recent winners in the ad grid. That is to say there are some bonuses that you get from this ad grid if you are lucky to click and you win. So it's the same thing like ad 7. I just click on the square. It's taking time. I have to go back and click another one. So the grid is just the same thing like that of ad 7. All you have to do is click on the box, allow the ad to open, loads, and if you earn something, they will show you. If you did not earn, they will tell you to try again. Yeah, so I think apart from that, you have the quiz time to survey, bonus game, flip the coin. You can check on them. Also, lastly, before I forget, they also do offer tax. These are other third-party platforms that they host in their websites that offer tags. You can also click them and you get tags, particularly offer for all. I usually go there to get tags. Here is offers. You still see the offer for all here. So there's no magic in this thing, and just dedicate at least 2 hours of your time per platform, and I guarantee you earn more than $360 a day. Alright, that was all about this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video.